Hello, entrepreneurs, technicians, dealers, and garage owners. The time to upgrade your skills and knowledge in electric vehicles, EVs, is now. Why? Because India's EV market is growing at an unprecedented rate. By 2025, 20 lakh new EVs are expected to hit the roads. But there's a major challenge ahead. Who will handle the after-sales service for this massive EV fleet? The industry faces a critical issue. We lack trained EV service engineers and technicians to manage after-sales and service requirements. Without skilled professionals, the risks include poor maintenance quality, safety concerns for users, increased vehicle downtime, dissatisfied customers. This leads to challenges for EV owners and users who struggle to find timely service support, causing frustration and a negative brand experience. To overcome this hurdle, we must build a nationwide pool of trained service professionals to empower India's EV ecosystem. That's where we come in. Autobot Academy, India's first specialized EV academy, is on a mission to bridge this gap. With a vision to make India a leader in EV adoption, we've designed the EV Service Diagnostics and Maintenance Skill Improvement Program. In 2023, we started the pilot batches in Maharashtra at our Pune's EV Technology Learning Center, where we trained and empowered over 100 micro-entrepreneurs, technicians, dealers, service providers, and garage owners. Our expertise comes from training the workforce of top EV brands like TVS, Hero, Ampere, Okinawa, and Bajaj. And now we've pledged to train over 1,000 service professionals by 2025. If you want to join this revolution, become a certified EV service expert of India's green future, this is your opportunity. Join our Mission Green Learning Yatra to make India an EV nation by 2030. Click below to learn more and take the first step toward an electrifying career.